Hello, this is Mr. Civil. On the previous tutorial, I taught on how to place windows and the objects. In today's tutorial, I'll show you on how to place a roof, to edit it, and also to place the dimensions. So, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share my videos, and don't forget to press the notification icon. So let's get started. So this is according to our plan. The brown dotted line is the roof. So here is the point where they have edited, also here and even here. So if you want to put a roof, in the toolbox you go to design and then you go to roof, design roof, then you double click, so the dialog box will appear. So this is the setting of the roof. So I can let the height of the roof from the ground be 1100, and then you can change the pitching angle. So you can change it from 22 degrees to 30 degrees. So I can use 30 degrees, then I click OK. And then the construction method, you have to use complex roof, and then you come to the corner of the wall and then you left click. So this is like how we place the slab. And then you go to the next corner and then you left click, you go to the next corner, left click, like that until you reach the point that you started from. So me, I started from here. So you reach there and then you left click. Oh, I've made a mistake. So I'll have to repeat the process again. So you must ensure that you click where you started from exactly. So zoom in until there. So our roof has appeared. So now I'll show you on how to editing. So if you want to edit a roof, you just click on the roof and then you right click and then split into single plane roofs and then click on split anyway, and then you have to click again and then press Ctrl Shift G so that you can be able to edit the roof. So I'll go to document, and a document I'll find line. So I'll take a line, a solid line, and then I can use this green color, then you click OK. So you come at this point and then you draw a line any distance. For me, I can use 1500, then you press enter and then you draw another line from that point until where the line of the roof reaches, and then you left click there, and then another line until where the roof line reaches, then you left click, and then you click on arrow, and then click on the line of the roof. So this black dot, you move it to the point that you had created. Also this one you click, then you bring to the point where the point that you created. Also this one you do the same. After you've done that, you click on the roof line and then bring the upper point. Also this one you click, then you bring to the upper point. So this one we shall click and then bring it to the lower point. Also this one we shall do the same. So we are done with the editing of this, so you can delete the lines and then come and draw the lines again over here. So you go to document and then lines. So I'll use the same distance everywhere, 1500. And then I click on the arrow, click on the roof line, and then on the black dot and bring it to the point that I had created with my line. You bring to the point that you created, also this one. And then again you click on this point, then to the upper point you click on this line to the upper point. Also this one you do the same. So you're done with it. You can delete these lines. And then I'll come over here and then draw the lines again. By 1500, and then I draw lines up to the point where the line of the roof reaches. Also this one I'll do the same. Then you click on the arrow, press on the roof line, and then bring up to the point that you had created. Also this one you click the black dot, and bring to the point that you have created. So this one you can click again, and then you bring to the left, sorry, to the right, and then this one you click and bring to the point at the left. So we have finished editing, so you can delete these lines. So let us have a 3D view. So this is how our roof is. So I used a pitching angle of 30 degrees. If you wish, you can use up to 22.5. So that is for a pitched roof. So now I'll show you on how to place dimensions. So if you want to place dimensions under the document, you go to the dimension tool and then you can double click and then the settings will appear. So in the settings, you have to select the witness line to be none, and then you click OK. And then if you want to change the dimensions, you go to options, project preference, and then dimensions. So here you can change your working units. You can use meters, centimeters. For me, I'll use millimeters to 0 decimal place, and then click OK. And then I'll come to this part of the wall, and then I left click so that two dots appear. You must ensure that you have two dots, otherwise you'll miss that dimension. So I'll click it like that, then come to an empty space, and then I double click and then click again. So you have seen that the dimension has appeared. For the full dimensions, you'll click on one corner, so you'll have one dot. Also this side, I'll click on one corner, and then I'll come here and double click, so the dimensions will appear. The same I'll do while going this side. So I click on all the walls, and you must ensure that there are two dots, otherwise you'll have to start it again. Then you come to this side, then double click and then left click, so the dimensions will appear. And then the full one, I click on this corner and on this corner, then I come and double click, so the dimensions has appeared. Also for this side, I'll do the same. You click on all walls and ensure that you have two dotted lines, two dots. And then I'll come here downwards and then put the dimensions. So for this, I forgot to place these dimensions, so I can undo and then come and place it again. I forgot this wall. Then I come and double click and then I get dimensions there. So for the full dimensions, I'll click on the corner, so one dot will appear. Also this one, then I'll come and double click, so you can see the dimension has appeared. For this side, I'll do the same. Then I come and double click and then left click. For the full dimensions, I go to the corner. Also this one, go to the corner. Then I come and double click over here, so I'll get the dimensions. So in today's tutorial, I taught you on how to place dimensions and roof. In the next tutorial, I will show you on how to create elevations and sections, and also how to edit them. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like my video, share with your friends, and don't forget to press the notification button. Thank you very much.